Okay, I've also noticed a big ticking sound, which is not as loud right now, but whenever you listen to it on the video, it's pretty loud. And I don't know exactly what it almost sounds like the plugs are arcing out or whatever. But try taking these off. And I don't notice a huge difference. Maybe it's just me, my hearing sucks. I don't know. Oh, also, there's a little plug I found right here. Not sure what that does to me. All kinds of crap in there. Then over here, let's see. There's a line out there. I don't know what that goes to. I don't know if that's like a return. I don't know. And then there's a little plug down there. That's it. Not quite sure what that is. I just put this in there the other day. The diaphragm wasn't working out. Anyways, I guess I'll let you go. I don't know what else to say. I'm kind of confused. I know it's not running like it should. So, anyway, comment and let me know what you think. Appreciate it. Thanks. Bye.